Hello, welcome to the Rico tutorial channel. In this lesson we are going to create a DevExpress, how it will be functioning in .NET Core. Here previously we created this one in .NET Framework. I close this one and now I will, on the solution, I will right click, add new project. Here I will choose Windows Form app. This is for Windows only. It will work on the Windows if we create our application, but this is for cross application. It will work in all operation systems such as the Linux and Mac. So I choose this one. I say next. Let's name it. Let's say DevExpress Core. I name it something like this. Next. And here, because only we have .NET 6, the latest version of .NET, I say create. Now this is our form. We can run it. Sorry. Let's do something like this. We'll say startup project. We'll right click our DevExpress core. We'll say set a startup project. So now let's run it. This is our core form. So simply if you take this executable form, it will work in all platforms. So now let's delete this form one. We'll add a DevExpress form, new item. Here I will choose form. I will name it as a form 1. Now, here what is happening whenever we try to add DevExpress form in .NET Core, it goes to internet and adds dependencies, some references. You know, this is packages, it is DevExpress Win Design. So it already installed it. Should have internet for that. Anyway, this is our form. This one, if we create as a setup, it will work in other platform operation systems. So now this one we cannot convert to ribbon and skin. We cannot convert a ribbon form and change the skin, since still in core part is very limited. So what we are going to do, we'll do from the toolbox. Here first I will write ribbon control. So I add it. Now my form became like a ribbon form. Now let's run it. As you see, it looks nice. And beside this one, if we want to change the skin, because we'll also, from the toolbox, we'll write look and default look and feel. So we add it. From down, we can even delete this net one. I don't like it. And whenever we click here, skin name, we can change. For example, like before, DevExpress style. Or we go down, Max skin. It also looks nice. Where is Max skin? It didn't change or not. Because since we write it, we have to choose it, you know. So go down, next skin. It didn't change. Okay, let's delete this one. we change to some forms. I think probably it is with my DevExpress. Anyway, you can change to skins because it's not responding. I have to restart it.